Today I've woken up in a mood to travel. लेकिन आज के ज़माने में और लॉकडाउन के बीच में that's not possible. But as a chef, I can take you through a little culinary journey via my cooking. Here I am welcoming you. I am Chef Anaida Dhondi on Blue Tribe Presents Challenge the Chef Season 2. Let's go. So last week we put out a poll asking you guys to challenge me with one of the ingredients and the options were between spaghetti and penne और आप लोगों ने spaghetti choose करा है. So I'm going to be teaching you an exciting dish called spaghetti bolognese, the classic recipe with a quick sauce and the entire dish. Let me show you the ingredients and let's get cooking. So we have two very important things to do. One is to make our sauce and the second is to boil the spaghetti. I've already put some water to boil. I'll be seasoning this once it comes to a boil. Till then we'll make our sauce. So in a pan add a little bit of oil. You can use olive oil or any neutral oil. Once it's nicely heated, we'll be adding some garlic which I've chopped already and some spices. I've got some bay leaf. I'm adding some black peppercorns. I'll be adding some chopped garlic. And we'll just let this come to a nice golden color. Now I'm sure you're thinking, what are these three sauces and why do we have three different sauces? So I've got a pizza pasta sauce which I've already pre-made. I've also got some tomato puree, fresh tomato puree to give you that extra kick and flavor. And this is something that I add, which is a secret ingredient. It's some ketchup. And ketchup always has that sweet sour taste. So we'll be adding all these three red color sauces into our pasta sauce. So I'm adding the pizza pasta sauce. Into this add the tomato puree. And lastly, my secret weapon, some ketchup. We'll be seasoning it with a bit of dried herbs. I'm using some oregano and some chili flakes. And we'll just put this on simmer till the time we cook the spaghetti. Now for the spaghetti, you need your water to be really boiling well. Add a little bit of olive oil into the water. And this step is called seasoning the water because it's important that the spaghetti gets some flavor. And we'll be putting some salt. So I'll be adding the spaghetti. Coming back to our sauce, which is almost ready. I'm adding some fresh basil leaves. You don't need to chop the basil, just add the basil. So our spaghetti is boiling, the base of our sauce is ready, and there's one major ingredient which is left for the spaghetti bolognese. Traditionally, we use mutton keema or mutton mince or chicken keema or chicken mince. But here I am going to show you an exciting plant-based chicken keema which is good for the planet and good for you. So here it is, the Blue Tribe chicken keema. I love this because it's plant-based, it's good for you and it's good for the planet, and I know it's going to be delicious in this dish. So what we're going to do is adding it to the sauce, mixing it up and then plating it with the spaghetti. So I've added the chicken keema and it's nicely browned. I'll be using a little bit of the spaghetti water to thin this down. Never waste the spaghetti water, it's got all the flavor of the spaghetti. And we let this cook for 5 minutes on simmer. Till then we'll strain the spaghetti. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil so that the spaghetti doesn't stick. And it's perfectly cooked. Let's have a look at our sauce. So the keema is cooked and the bolognese sauce is looking absolutely delicious, full of flavor, lots of tomatoes. I'm going to switch this off and use the big pot over here. And we'll be mixing the spaghetti into this. So just toss this with a little bit of the pasta water. I'm using a tong. Just mix this up. As you can see, all the spaghetti has nicely been coated with the plant-based chicken keema. So what I really like about Blue Tribe's chicken keema, which is plant-based, is that you're actually creating a lot of awareness on environmentally friendly products and choices which you guys can easily make. So do try them out because they're environmentally friendly and they don't compromise on taste. The spaghetti is ready. I'm just adding a few basil leaves. I love that extra touch of freshness. And if you were serving this home style at home, you can add some cheese. You can just take the whole pot and place it on your table. I will put it in a plate. So I'm using a beautiful white plate which is going to bring out all the colors of this gorgeous spaghetti bolognese. So we can't travel to Italy, but we can travel through food. And food does that to you. It transports you to places. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to try this recipe at home. Like, share, comment below. I'll be back again next week on Blue Try Presents Challenge the Chef Season 2. I'm gonna go eat. You guys try this recipe.